English words touch and dot are of Serbian language origin from the words TAČka and DOTaći. TAČka is a dot and DOTaći means to touch. Just to warm up, we're going to do a few more English words that are actually Serbian. Mutav means unable to speak, cannot speak. Mute in English means quiet or as well cannot speak, deaf mute. Pod is the floor. Podium is like a stage, like a floor that is a platform to be seen. Another one is odurno and odor. Odurno is unpleasant smell. Odor is as well unpleasant smell, same meaning. And alas is a fisherman, and Alaska is self-explanatory. What you do at Alaska, you fish. So TAČka is a dot in Serbian, and because of the complicated Serbian grammar, we have a case where č gets into kgh. So if you wanna say to touch somebody, taknuti, touch, ch is going to change into k and becomes taknuti to touch. So pretty much it's the same sound, touch, ka and touch. Several synonyms in Serbian to touch, taknuti, dotaknuti, dotaći, pipnuti, dodirnuti. For Serbian speakers, it's easy to see how they are connected, but here we're going to pay attention to taknuti, dotaknuti, I dotaći, because clearly they are referring to English version of tactile, dot as for dot, and touch for tačka, for to touch. Apparently, the idea behind it is when we touch somebody, we leave a mark, as we leave a dot, our own dot, at that somebody or someone. So to leave a touch, ka, a dot, at someone or something. Therefore, we have a tactile as well, something being tangible with a sense of touch, capable of having the sense of touch, being tactile. Taknuti. And again, we have a very weak case of etymology explaining of how the word touch came to be in today's English. However, we do have Old Church Slavonic in the end, taknuti. It's very clear to see the connection between touch, tačka, dotaći, dot, and taknuti is actually the variation of it. When you see Old Church Slavonic, it basically means Old Slavic or Old Serbian, because Serbian is the older word than Slavic, Slavs. Slavs come from the word slava, Serbian word and Serbian custom, which is a celebration or the glory as well. One of the two means the same. And once again, the whole construct of Proto-Indo-European languages is so weak. It's only serving a purpose to provide credibility to the fake history that we're learning for centuries already. In reality, you cannot explain anything with it.